this is Looking Total Belts Pro. Today we have a 2022 Isuzu D-Max, stock number 6905. It's ran from the 7th 2020 to the current shape. It's a 4JJ3 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine fitted by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4JJ3 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Left rear door no dents. Right rear door no dents. Front snorkel. Right hand headlight. Front bonnet. Right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Stereo mirror. Front courtesy light, right front sun visor, left front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,